What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol BBIG for Vinco or Vinco Ventures. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. This, of course, will be more of an update since we have covered it extensively in recent sessions, and the update to give here really is the fact that we have lower highs continually forming, and prices really have gone nowhere since the large momentum move to the upside. So, all things considered, this is what you need to watch out for. If we draw in a resistance trend line, something that would look like this, you can see we're starting to break it sideways through time, but technically all this is illustrating, right, is lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and unless we can make an equal high, something back up towards here, this will just count as another lower high, and we would expect another down move to start here. So if we remain under the resistance trend line, continue to have a neutral to sit on the sidelines type look, right? Obviously, we're not looking to short this thing, we're just looking to wait patiently for the next potential long setup, and until that happens, again, we're not looking to short, and we're also not looking to chase and just buy blindly. So under the support, resistance trend line, avoid, right? If we can start to break it sideways through time and then potentially make an equal high, again, which we've outlined that area right here, let's just put a level to it. That would be, if we can grab that tool, that would just simply be there at $8.73. Then you're looking for the next move to essentially do some, we'll get rid of that, and really be a breakout of this here to take us into 1050, right? So that would look something like this. If we break it sideways through time, equal high, maybe higher low pullback, boom, you're looking for the break, something that would do that potentially. After that, you're looking at all-time high 1190, and who knows what happens into blue sky territories, so monitor for continuation and adjust trail stops higher if that's the scenario that unfolds. Now, say we do roll over and start trading underneath the resistance trend line once again, what are you watching out for in this case? Well, very simply, you're looking for the next major area of support, and I would argue it has to be down here at 6 the whole dollar. If we get down into it and print a hammer candle, so let's clean that up, that might look like this. We get into it, if we start printing hammers, if we start printing indecision dojis, anything with a longer, lower wick, right, is basically questioning, is this pullback coming to an end? Can we flip long over the highs and then get back up into some of the overhead targets which we've discussed from today's video? Obviously, that would have to first happen by breaking the resistance trend line upward through price and not sideways through time on the deeper pullback, one more leg lower. The last thing I want to at least bring to your attention here is the fact that this could turn into an inverted head or a regular head and shoulders, there, being something like this. So shoulder 1, we'll put S1 here. This would, of course, be your head, so we'll put H. And if, again, we roll over here, this is simply going to be S2, shoulder 2. And how do you play a head and shoulders? You're looking for the break of the neckline, which in that case is coming from this, right here as well as here. A break of this puts into play $6. So what is that area? Well, you're going to have to use a support trend line and sort of gauge this one intraday, but that would look, again, something like that. So you have two support and resistance trend lines to really pay attention to, and they're going to guide how you look at BBIG going forward. So if you enjoyed today's video, if you enjoyed the scenarios, let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.